Today we're doing a teardown on an AAN due to bad compression. Just dealing with one of the frequent problems with these older motors. Removing some of these oil line here. They're completely stripped out. I'll just show you my favorite way to remove these stripped out hex heads. Let me show you that they're stripped. There's nothing there. So if you have access to pneumatic tools, just take an air hammer. You're going to want to make a notch. And just aim up. You just push it counterclockwise. Then I'll do the same with the top. And once you start spinning it, you want to make sure notch is good, because if you start spinning it out and have to re-notch it, you push the threads and just mushroom them out. Alright, so then you want to go ahead and hammer in your hex head a little bit. And hopefully I loosened them enough for them to come out. That one spins right out. On the top one here. This one's a little bit trickier, I guess. Use an extension on this guy. And there you go. And that's how you use a pneumatic hammer to loosen any rusted bolt, seized bolt. Even axle bolts. We've gotten out axle bolts with that same one there.